You can make anywhere from $300 to $400 a day just by simply copy pasting on YouTube. No camera needed, you can start today and I will show you step by step how to do it. It's well known that people make millions on YouTube and that there are billions of viewers on this platform. Today, I will show you how you can get a slice of that huge pie of income. Note, with great power comes great responsibility. This has the potential to make you over $300 a day consistently, so I urge you to use wisely all of the money you make today. If you stick with me all the way to the end of the video, I will show you how you can maximize your results and make over $300 a day on YouTube. Now, right before all of that, if you're really interested in making money on YouTube and if you want to see how you can make money from your YouTube channels without the ad revenues, no Google AdSense needed, without doing affiliate marketing, without selling anything on your channel, without being in front of a camera, without filming and editing your videos, then you really want to hit the first link in the description down below. So I will share with you a very unique method to make money on YouTube without all of that stuff. So it's a very unique strategy on how I personally make thousands of dollars every single day from some of my other YouTube channels. So not this one, other YouTube channels where I don't have to be in front of a camera, where I don't have to run ads and all that stuff. Once again, that's gonna be the first link in the description down below. And as well, in response to COVID-19 or coronavirus, which is currently affecting the global economy, I'm currently running the biggest discount ever on the training. So I want to give more to people for less during this unfortunate time of epidemic. If you're not interested in that, then just stick with me and we'll jump straight into my computer so we can start the tutorial. Okay, so it's not a secret that top 10 channels and top 10 videos are getting millions of views every single day. Here's just one of the channels that I found that is consistently making over $100,000 a month by doing this. And now I will show you step by step how to create and monetize those videos to make at least $300 per day. So here's one of the example of a top 10 video that is doing pretty well. So this is the top 10 youngest moms of all time. This video got 9 million views, and all these guys are actually doing is they're just running different images. So the images are going through the video or different videos and different images which you can find online. And I'm also going to be giving you free resources on where you can get those images or those copyright free images. So you're free to use them, you don't have to pay for them, so everything is free of charge. You can use those images, and as well, if you play the video, you will be able to hear that he is just talking about different stories and about those youngest moms of all time. So it's just his voice and those images across the video, and that video got 9 million views. Now, not only will I show you where you can get those images for free and use them in your videos, but I'm also going to show you where you can find scripts for the entire video, an absolutely free script. And no, you will not have to read it by yourself, because I'm also going to give you an absolutely free tool which you can use to just paste your script, and that tool will read it for you, and yeah, you can use it in your videos, and I will show you exactly how to do that step by step. So the first thing you want to do is obviously find an idea for your top 10 videos and find the actual script for your top 10 video. And where can you actually go to get that is on listverse.com. So you can come over to the listverse.com. And what listverse actually is, listverse is a website where you can find all of these different articles and blog posts that are being posted every single day. There are all top 10 lists with some bizarre facts and bizarre stuff. So everything is controversial and clickbaity, and a lot of people love reading these, but not a lot of people know about listverse. And as well, people are more likely to watch videos than to read those articles, and that's why you're going to turn these articles into actual videos which can get loads of views, which can then make you a lot of money. We're going to talk about that as well. So you have all these different categories. If you hover your mouse here, you have the bizarre, creepy, mysteries and weird stuff. You have entertainment, you have general knowledge, lifestyle. So you can have top 10 videos on all of these topics. And as I said, there are thousands of different articles on here, and there are new articles coming in every single day. So you will never run out of ideas and scripts for your top 10 videos. So for example, I'll select the top 10 ways coronavirus will change your life forever. So this like makes all the people click on it when they see it. So top 10 ways coronavirus will change your life forever. So it's really clickbaity. If you click on that, that's gonna give you the entire article and those top 10 reasons why coronavirus will actually change your life. So here's the actual idea for our video, and here's the entire script for our top 10 video. And you can basically do this for all of those different articles, and then I will show you how to use this article and then turn it into an actual video step by step. Now, I just need to find different images which I can use in my top 10 video about coronavirus in this case, in this instance. So one of the places where you can go to find different copyright-free images to use in your videos, in your top 10 videos, is over the pexels.com. So you can come over to pexels.com, and on here you have like hundreds of thousands of copyright-free images and videos which you can use free of charge once again. So I can, for example, if my video is about coronavirus and epidemics and stuff, I can, for example, search virus over here, and I will press enter, and I will be able to see all these different images which I can download to my computer and use in my videos. So I can, for example, select this image, and I can click on free download, and it's gonna download it over to my computer. Now I can find another image which I want to use in my videos. So for example, I want to use this one. I will click on free download again. Then I will find another image. For example, this one is about COVID-19. I will click on free download once again. So that's how you can find different images and different videos on Pexels, which you can then combine and create an actual video, an actual top 10 video. Now, right before we turn our article and our top 10 list into an actual audio file, which we can then use as a voiceover in our top 10 videos, I actually recommend you change it out a little bit. You know, use some of your own words. You can just copy and paste it in, for example, Google Docs, and just change a little bit words so it's not completely the same article is on here. If you don't want to do it by yourself, you can simply copy this article. For example, we'll just copy this line over here, and you can use the absolutely free tool called spinbot.com. Spinbot.com will allow you to rewrite any text. It will rewrite it professionally for you. All you need to do is just paste your text over here. You will click on I'm not a robot, and you will click on go, and now it's going to rewrite it for you in some of the better, in some more professional and better words. And now it's not completely the same as on article as on listwords.com. So you can now copy this text and then use that as your own script, so it's not completely as the same as the article on the listwords.com. And now it's about time we turn our script into an actual audio file to use it as a voiceover in our top 10 videos. Now you can either record your own voice and record your own voiceover just by reading that script into your mic, but if you don't want to do that, maybe you don't have a microphone, or you're too shy, or you simply don't want to record your voice, then don't worry, because you can use this super simple trick. So you will leave your script open like that, and then you want to download some screen recorder to your computer. I personally use the obsproject.com. This is an absolutely free screen recorder, so you can see it. This is how it works, and here's gonna say a start recording and stop recording. So it's super simple to use, and it's super simple to download. So if you're using the Windows, you just click on this, and it's pretty much self-explanatory. You can easily download it and install it to your computer, and you're ready to use it. If you're using the Mac, just click on this and download it to your Mac. If you're using Linux, the same thing goes for that as well. It's pretty much self-explanatory, and it's super easy and simple to use it. If you don't want to use this one, you can just go to Google and search for different free screen recorders and download them to your computer. With that being said, you will get back to your script. So in my case, let's say this is my script for my top 10 videos, and I will copy this script, and you want to go over to the Google Translate. So you want to type in on Google Translate. This is what you're going to see. Now you want to just select English right here, so make sure that it's actual English, and then you just want to paste your script here. Paste your script here. This will be a troublesome time, but at the same time it's getting off of the flash, blah blah blah. And then you can open up your screen recorder. Just make sure that it's recording the actual screen and that is recording the actual audio, the computer audio. And once you do that, just press start recording, and then just click on this and take a look at this.
This will be a troublesome time, but at the same time it's setting off to the flash of some mind-boggling changes.
So Google Translate will actually read it for you and will actually record the entire voiceover for you. So you can just paste your script in here. I know it may sound a little bit robotic, but it's pretty nice, and she's actually reading it pretty well. I really love it. And you can just use this to get started, and after some time, once you start making money, you can buy yourself a microphone and get your channel to the next level by reading it by yourself. But if you want to just get started like this, you can definitely use the Google Translate. Just paste your script over here, start recording your screen, so you just actually start recording the audio. You just need the audio file, and then just press this button right here, and it's gonna read it for you, and it sounds pretty good. And guess what? It cost you nothing. Okay, so now we just need to combine our images and audio file to create an actual slideshow video, the top 10 video, which might look something similar to this one that got over 9 million views. And as you can see, this is just a video with different images images showing up on the screen and his voiceover in the background, so the audio file. So what you can do is you can either use the Clidio.com. Clidio.com is an absolutely free tool which will allow you to create different slideshows. So if you want to create a slideshow video with the Clidio.com, you will click on slideshow and you will quite simply click on choose files. Then you will select the images that you got from Pexels. For example, these 3 images, you will open them up. It's going to upload over here. And by the way, if you don't want to use Clidio, if you want to use something more professional, then you can also use the openshot.org. This is the video editing software, an absolutely free video editing software, which is available for both Linux, it's available for Windows, and it's available for Mac as well. So you can come over to the openshot.org and download it to your computer. You can also use the iMovie if you want to, if you're using the Apple device. If not, you can also use just the Clidio.com. It looks pretty nice, and pretty much Clidio does everything for you. You can select the image duration, whether you want to make it 2 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, more or less. Maybe you want them to change faster, maybe you want them to change slower, and you can also select this from fit with border to zoom and crop, so it actually suits the entire video and looks pretty nice and fit. And you can add all those different images on here until you make something similar to this, and then after that you will just need to add your audio file, which is going to be your voiceover. Now I personally use Sony Vegas Pro 14, so I use the Sony Vegas Pro 14, and I'm going to show you how you can do it in this software or these different softwares, these like more professional softwares, more professional video editing softwares. And it's pretty simple. Like, take a look at this. I can open up with my video editing software. I can click on open files. I can select my 3 images, for example these 3 images, and then I can just select the actual audio file, the screen recording. So I recorded the Google Translate screen and the Google Translate audio file. I can just get rid of this track because I don't need the actual video file, I just need the audio. I can drag it a little bit left. I can delete this track as well. I can cut this pretty quickly. I'm not using keyboard at all, so you can see it's pretty simple. I can drag it a little bit left. I can now make these images last a little bit less, so it actually goes a little bit faster. So I can remove this. I can do it like that, and like, let me play. Listen to this.
This will be a troublesome time, but at the same time it's set.
Of course, put a little bit more time and effort into this, but as you can see, it's super simple, and you can just add more images to make this video like 2 or 3 or 4 minutes long, and then you have the audio in the background, your voiceover, and that's it. You can save it up to your computer and re-upload it back to YouTube. If you're using the Clidio.com, if you want to make it a little bit more simple, then as I said, just add those different images on here. Clidio does everything for you. You just add your audio file and you click create, and you will be able to download it to your computer. Once you download it, you will be able to re-upload it back to YouTube and make money from the ad revenue. Now, in order to actually make money off of your views, you will need to run ads on your videos. Your channel must be approved for monetization, so you need to sign up to Google AdSense, and you will need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. But don't worry, that's going to be easy to achieve because, as I said, top 10 videos always get loads of views, and those channels are pretty big. Now, if you want to do it way faster and you want your channel monetized as soon as possible, so you can start making money from each video you upload on YouTube, then I want to let you know that inside of my training, I also have dedicated module teaching you 3 different proven to work strategies to monetize any YouTube channel out there in less than 2 weeks. How you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, so you can start running ads on your YouTube videos and make money off of every video you upload back on YouTube. Not only that, but I will also help you skyrocket your channel by teaching you different ways you can get loads of views, subscribers, and how you can actually get your channel monetized. On top of that, I will show you how you can make money from your channel even if you're not monetized, even if you're not running ads, and even if you don't film or edit your videos. And no, it has nothing to do with affiliate marketing. You can build your YouTube business in no time, like hundreds of students that went through the same training did and are now killing it with YouTube. So take action fast before the discount code expires and before I increase the price. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in some of the next videos.